Hello guys, welcome to another video from Max channel. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and at the end make sure you leave a comment in the comment section down below. Make sure you tell us what you think about this video and the things that you would like to know more from us about making money online. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how long it takes for you to start actually making money online and how to go about it. Like, a lot of people make mistakes when it comes to making money out of YouTube. So Mark had already made a video on how to make money on YouTube. So if you haven't watched it, it's in the description box. The first thing, how long does it take for you to make money off of YouTube, is it depends on you. How long you make money on YouTube, how long does it take for you to start earning money on YouTube, depends on you. It depends on you, because it's all about fame. That's the first thing. That's the first threshold of making money on YouTube. Because if you're lazy about it, it would even take you a very long time. Because the first thing about it is all about getting a lot of people to subscribe to your channel and actually watch your videos. The most popular ways YouTubers make money out of YouTube is with Google AdSense. The threshold for Google AdSense is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. You need to make sure a lot of people subscribe to your channel, they reach 1K plus, and make sure the videos that you are making, they are more than at least 5 minutes video, more than 5 minutes video. That's because 4,000 watch time hours, 4,000 hours, that's a lot. So you can't reach that threshold if you are making 2 minutes video, 3 minutes videos. It will take a long time for you, because you can reach 1K subscribers, but your watch time hours are less than that because of the many short videos that you make. So if you make at least 10 plus or 5 plus YouTube videos with minutes, then you'll likely reach the watch time hours very soon. So with Google AdSense, they have policies. They don't monetize a channel which has copyrighted music. Like the music which you'll find in these videos, they are not from any copyrighted artists. They come from Caleb's music. Like Caleb, he makes beats, and he also draws, so he makes beats for these channels. Yeah. So when we reach the 1K and 4,000 watch time hours, it will be very easy for us to be accepted by Google AdSense, for them to be putting those to my 10 seconds videos that you see. Those to my 10-second videos that you see when watching most YouTube channels, you come across them. So yeah, make sure you don't add any copyrighted. If you are so that's also something which can actually make you not make money on YouTube with Google AdSense. So with Google AdSense, you don't get rich out of it. It doesn't actually give you that much money. Actually, it's just a few money. But the good part is that the more people watch your videos, the more money you make. And for you to receive money from Google AdSense, they send through Western Union, so you can get more details about Western Union. So the other thing is that it's very hard to actually monetize your channel with Google AdSense, especially if you're in a country like Zambia right now. I'm in Zambia, so it's very hard to monetize your channel with Google AdSense. So any channel can be monetized with Google AdSense, a comedy channel, lifestyle, business, any channel can be monetized by Google AdSense. So it takes about 6 months in Zambia for you to actually get monetized, for you to actually know if your application for Google AdSense has been accepted or declined. It takes about 6 months. So if you apply in January, by June, July, you get the response if it's a no or yes. Again, you reply by next year, February or January. That's when you get another reply whether they've accepted you or not. So it's very stressful there. But you don't have to worry about that, because there's basically so many other ways. Like most YouTubers that make more money on YouTube, they make more money when it comes to affiliate earning. You can make an application to Amazon for affiliate. You can advertise their products. If somebody goes on the Amazon and buys the product, you get some kind of commission from there. But that one, it's also another process. But most of them, they make more money when it comes to like here in Zambia or any other country. You can make more money locally. Like when you reach your fame, you become famous, and then you can make affiliate. Like if it's a lifestyle channel, you can make money by attract sponsors who will be advertising about clothing. Yes, like clothing, shoes, makeup, anything that is concerning with social lives, like any product which is concerned with a social life, things like that. So in this business channel, most affiliates earnings that I can earn from this business channel is from companies. Maybe they advertise. I can even earn from lifestyle products or machinery and other things like that, because this is a business channel. I can advertise any good on this channel, so you can earn more money on a business channel than any other channel that is out there. And of course, it all depends about you and how famous you are on YouTube. So it's all about your niche. So comedy channels, they earn less affiliate earnings, because as people who are your sponsors who would like to advertise something on your channel, they'll look at the market, the type of market. Most of the people, like 90%, like it can be that 90% of your viewers, when it comes to a comedy channel or a lifestyle channel, they'll just be interested on what you're talking about, or they all just want to get a laugh about something. They won't be interested in the products that you'll be earning. So you will be earning. So the sponsors will be paying you less as compared to a business channel, because most of the people that will be watching, there'll be people who will be interested in buying something or learning something about making money. So that's it about affiliate earning. So it's all about consistency, guys. Never forget consistency. You can't just post a video every month and then you expect yourself to earn a lot of money on YouTube. That's actually basically impossible. You have to be consistent. Like us, we had a minor setback, but it has been fixed. So every week we'll be dropping 2 or 1 video we'll be posting, so that you guys, you never get tired of this YouTube channel, because a lot of people, they get tired when you post videos every after month. Like, are you Marvel? Like, are you some kind of Marvel? Like, are you some kind of person who makes movies or something like that, or Marvel Studios? Those people, because people can get tired because of the type of content those people deliver. So you don't get rich like in any other website that people make money or out of. You don't get rich over time. It takes time and consistency. If it's a website that is making you feel like you earn money within a month, 2 days, or a lot of money, you become rich, just know that that is fake. Because the real site, it's all about commitment, time, and patience. That's how you make money online. So that's it, guys. Make sure with Google AdSense, never add any copyrighted music. But if your channel requires you to be having copyrighted music, make sure you attract sponsors. Make sure you attract sponsors with your fame because sponsors, they don't care about the type of music that you have, but they will care about the type of context that you have and the type of audience that you have. That's how you make money out of sponsors. You can either approach them or they'll approach you. It's up to you. So guys, YouTube is a very good thing. Like, people are always complaining about poverty and other things like that, but for me, I feel like poverty is all about, it's a choice, because God has given us equal opportunities in life to achieve our goals. It's all about you to achieve it by being persistent. You need to be hardworking. And then on YouTube, basically, you just need a camera. Like a camera can be a mobile phone. Like right now, I use a mobile phone. That's the camera that I use for all the YouTube videos that you've ever seen on this channel are all made from a camera from Untitled S15. That's the camera that I use. And for editing, I use the computer. You can even use the editing apps on your mobile phone, KineMaster and other things like that on computers. But I would mostly advise you to have a computer, because using a computer will allow you to edit your videos perfectly, and they'll come out really nice. Like all these things that have been popping up, like I edited them on a computer. And guys, so in conclusion, I would just like you guys to know that you don't get rich over time on YouTube, but you can become rich. It's all about consistency. It's all about the good quality of the videos that you make. It's all about the good camera. It's all about consistency. It's all about fame. It's all about dedication. So make sure you're dedicated to your channel. You make money. Like, it's up to you. How long it takes for you to make money, it's up to you. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this channel. Make sure you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you comment. It's very important, because I would like to know what you think about this video, and I would like to interact with you personally and know what you would like to know about about how to make money online and how to make your YouTube channel properly. Yeah, so make sure you watch the next video, which will be about how to actually sign up or create a YouTube channel.